Sister D's in the house.
Watch your mouth.
That's not what you usually say.
Zylah G.
Watch your mouth. What we doing today, Zylah?
We're eating Japan's snacks.
Zylah wanted us to continue to do snacking, the taste testing with the snacks. So I ordered this from Amazon, and it's Japan snacks. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a bunch of stuff over here. Why do you feel warm? How you guys doing today? Hope everybody's having a good day. What you want to start with, Zylah?
I'm gonna start with...
Alright, what is this? This is... I don't know. I don't know what this is, guys, but... Because it's in... The writing is in... Japanese, I guess. So this is what Zylah wants to start with. So let's see what this is. What is that? Show them what it is before you eat it. Smell it. Taste it. Ooh, it smells fishy.
It's spicy.
Is it? Let me taste it. I don't know what this is, guys, but we don't like it. You like it? I don't know what that is. But, yeah. I don't know, but if you guys know what that is, leave us a comment below if you know what this is, because we don't know what this is and we don't like it. Alright, you want to try this next? Everything is in Japanese, so we have no clue as to what it is. This is the next thing we're trying. Lord Jesus. We're recording. We're recording. Something chocolate. Show them what it looked like.
It's so cool.
What it tastes like.
Below.
Chocolate wafer. You want to eat the whole thing? No. You can come back to it whatever you want to, okay? Let's get through all this first. You want to try it next? What is it?
I don't know. This is really little.
Oh, this looks like a big cheese doodle. Show them it. Yeah, I think it is. Isn't it? Isn't it a big cheese doodle? What does it taste like?
I do like it though.
It tastes like a big cheese doodle to me. Yeah, that's exactly what it tastes like. A big cheese doodle. I like that. I love cheese doodles. Let's try this next.
Let's do try this.
Alright.
Give me the money.
What is this? Open your hand.
Oh, look at it.
They look like it tastes like croutons, small croutons to me. You want to try that next?
I don't want to open this one.
No, I don't want it to go spilling all over the place. This is some little candies. Hey, little butterflies.
There they go.
Well, yeah, because it's candy. Of course they're good. You like candy. Let me try one. So I can get it out.
This one tastes like blueberry.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Tastes like, like... It's in my mouth. Yeah, nothing. Just like little candy. That's all it is. You want to try this next? I don't know what this is. Is this gum? Let's save gum for last. Let's try another wafer.
I want that chocolate.
I don't know what that is. You can have it. Just wait a minute. Let's get through these and you can have whatever you want, okay? If you guys know the names to this stuff, let us know, because we don't know the names. And there's nothing telling us the names. It was very, very, very inexpensive on Amazon. It's another wafer thing. It don't smell good.
Can you smell it?
Take a bite. Can't even bite it.
Gross.
Yeah, we don't like those. I don't know what those is, but we don't like them. You want to try next? That?
I think it's going to be the same as of the big cheese doodle. I'm going to save that for last. And then next we're going to have it. Little pee-pee marshmallow.
You can try that by yourself. I don't like marshmallow.
You know? I don't know that.
I can't even get this open. Oh, here we go. Yep, another big cheese doodle. This one is sweet. I don't like it. You like it? That's a sweet cheese doodle, guys. That's what that one was. Let me try this next. I think this might give me some chocolate. Yep. A piece of chocolate. That's good. All right. That tastes good. That's like a another chocolate wafer. It's got like a light biscuit, cookie, whatever inside. And I was going to try. What is that? No, that looked like that's something nasty. Oh no, that looked chocolate.
Guys, do you know what this is? I don't.
It's either a sticker or a tattoo or something.
I can't even feel it. It's not a sticker.
Look, I need you to go get some scissors over there. Be careful, alright? Don't knock the light.
Where is this?
Underneath the computer table. You see it?
Yeah.
Be careful. Good job. Thank you. I don't know what that is. What is it? It's tangy. We don't like that.
We don't try the marshmallow. I know this is gonna taste like a regular marshmallow.
Right, it's just a regular marshmallow, got no face or nothing on it. And it came in a package like this.
Smell it.
It don't smell like nothing. Is that just a regular marshmallow? You can eat it. Oh, it's got chocolate. Show them it's got chocolate in it. Ooh, nice. That must taste good. What's this? I think this is just a piece of gummy candy. I don't know what it says, but
how can you show it?
Like maybe some lime candy. Let's see. Don't wait till it's time for us to open that one. That's what I thought. A piece of candy with lime inside. I mean, it was some kind of white stuff inside of it. Not bad. Alright, all these little ones I was going to try, besides this one. All the rest of them I was going to try on their own because they're small. I don't know what this is. It looks very... Sorry guys, it turned off for some reason. I don't know what the problem is. Hopefully I can put the two together again. This is a piece of chocolate. Let me show them before you just grab it. It's just a square. You can eat it. Just a regular piece of milk chocolate, right? And like all these things are like gummies. They all look like this. One looked like a snail on the back. One looked like that's candy. So we're gonna do the gummies, and the candy you can save for yourself for a snack, okay?
One with a cat on the front, a cat on the back.
All right, here. No, not that one. Where's the one? This one.
No. That's not a snail. That's a twisted up hand. See?
I don't know what it is, but show them what it looks like.
I hope it don't taste bad.
I think it's just a gummy.
I think it's gonna taste bad. I think it's gonna taste like a bad gummy though.
It smells like root beer.
Let me smell. Let me smell.
Okay. Bite it.
Tastes like root beer too.
Tastes like root beer. Alright, here's one more.
I've never seen this one.
This is a piece of chocolate. Let me show it to him before you grab it. Jesus. That's a tree?
It's supposed to be a...
Just a piece of chocolate, right?
It's a four-leaf clover.
This is something that we're not going to open. This is something we're not going to open. The last thing we're going to try is these look like little Smartie candies, but it says something in Japanese. That's it, guys. That's it. We'll try that. Well, these dissolve right in your mouth, so when we put them in, they look like that. They're pink. Alright, guys. That's it. Thank you for taking the time to watch us do our snacks from Japan. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
And we appreciate it.
Yes, we do. We appreciate you guys. And until next time, guys. Zylah, peace.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Have a good weekend.